Hey guys, today I want to go over what's been happening with the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. For those that don't know, it's a form of currency that isn't regulated and it works off the technology called blockchain. Its purpose was to not have any third-party interference, which makes transactions seamless. But before we get into anything else, if you wouldn't mind supporting me as a creator by hitting that like button, click subscribe, hit that notification bell, it's super easy to do. I have new content coming out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, if you are new to the channel, I do have a monthly giveaway. All you have to do to enter is go to the first video of the month. From there, just comment, like, and subscribe, and you are entered. It is super simple, and it's almost... So recently, a lot of new firms and people are investing into the cryptocurrency space, causing all new time highs. So the first thing I want to go over is Bitcoin's previous chart history. Based off of Bitcoin's past history back in 2017, we saw it hit a high of around $19,000, which was a lot for them back then. And now Bitcoin has been floating around that $50,000 area, which is even crazier compared to 3 years ago. So back when Bitcoin hit $19,000, we saw a really big cool off and it hit a low of around $4,000. And it took around 3 years for it to come back to that original $19,000 mark. But once we saw it hit that previous all-time high level, we saw it skyrocket and hitting all new time highs. And one of the really big reasons why Bitcoin has taken off so much recently is because of Elon Musk. Now, of course, I have to mention his name in this video because he has been so predominant in this space, and he has really shown his interest in the cryptocurrency space. At one point, Elon even added Bitcoin to his Twitter bio. And on top of everything else, his company Tesla invested $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. He took some of their free cash flow and put it into Bitcoin, thinking it was a better investment than the money sitting there. And now with Tesla, you're also able to purchase a car using Bitcoin, which is something a lot of people never even thought was possible. And shortly after we saw the news come out, we saw Bitcoin rise thousands of dollars over the next few days. We've also seen a lot of other businesses like PayPal and other people investing into crypto more and more over the past few years, which means that when large sums of Bitcoin are purchased, of course the prices are going to rise with that. Now, the next part I want to go over is the price target of Bitcoin over the next few years. Right now, there are a lot of people that think Bitcoin will hit $100,000 in the next year or two. And when you look at Bitcoin's current price of around $49,000, it also has a market cap of $1 trillion. So realistically, if we saw Bitcoin hit $100,000, its market cap is going to reach another $1 trillion on top of that. In my opinion, that's a very bullish move, and I don't think we're going to see that right away, but I think it's definitely possible a few years down the road. Now for the future of Bitcoin. In the next few years, I do think Bitcoin has a bright future, and it will hit that 100K mark, but it's still going to take a lot of time for that to happen. Most likely over the next few months, we'll see Bitcoin cool down for a bit, potentially hitting its old-time highs back in 2017. But I think if it ever gets to that level again, we'll see a bounce back up to the previous highs we saw recently, and then it will probably make its way up to that $100,000 mark that everyone thinks it's going to go to. Now, it's likely that the cooldown could happen for several months or several years. Most likely it's going to be happening for a shorter period of time than we saw prior. So prior was around 3 years, so I'm thinking probably anywhere from a year to 2 years, probably around a year and a half, but it's possible with all the bullishness of it that we'll see it happen much sooner. So just like the stock market, everything that goes up must come down, so I think it's likely that we'll see it happen very soon, if not possibly in the next few days or a few weeks. Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please leave a comment down below on your thoughts on Bitcoin and where you think the price target will be in the next few years. And if you haven't already supported me as a creator, please hit that like button. It would mean the world to me. Click subscribe, hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss any of my new content. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And don't forget about that monthly giveaway. It is free to sign up. Just go to the first video of the month. From there, just comment, like, and subscribe, and you are entered. It is super simple, and the month is almost over, so you're almost out of time, so get to it.